how to connect your Spotify account to Discord to display your music in your status. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your Spotify app, and now we want to open your Discord account. So at the same time, and if you open your Discord account, here in the top menu bar it will appear this Spotify option, and you can connect your Spotify account to display your music in your status. So simply click here to connect, and you have to authorize the Spotify to use your Discord. Simply click on agree, and once you will be listening to some music, it will appear in your Discord status. If this top line will not appear, just open your Discord settings. Now on the left, go to connections, and here simply find Spotify, and also finish the process clicking agree, and that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.